Let's go.
Hey, Losiano, I'm ready.
The crowd chooses.
Let me get out here.
We doing that. The crowd chooses.
Hey, can y'all hear me with no mic?
Yeah, we got you.
Can you hear me with no mic? Yep. I'm gonna speak up because it sounds better on camera with no
One
mic.
time for the one time.
Take it. I gotta get up there.
Yeah, Jason Morgan is.
I can't get high with that.
You can't get high.
Let's get
Here
it.
with y'all, man.
Where you at, Randall?
Right here.
Here. Is it recording already?
One time for the one time though.
It's already
Hey,
recording.
who came up
Remember,
with
diagonal from the
that?
rapper. I got you. Who going first? I am. So stand where he at.
Let's go, C-Ray.
Back up.
All right, C-Ray, Nature Boy, what's happening? Let's make that shit shake though.
Stay clear of that camera.
All right.
Clear that camera.
Let's get. Hey, you got a timer?
I ain't seen it yet.
Man, look at where that money at though.
I'm about to start the timer now.
That bank up.
Where that pot at?
Let me buy that. Let me put the money in the hat though. Put the money in the hat though. Put the money in the hat though.
Money on the wood. Money on the wood.
I got his too. Come on, let's go. We doing this for the smack. Let's go, bro.
C-Ray out first, man. Let's make that shit shake. Let's see what's happening.
Let's get it.
Can y'all hear me? Everybody hear me? Everybody good?
Is this Ninja Boy here?
Yeah.
I said, I've been all over the world, nigga. Killing shit. This year. Hit artist, battle rapper, whatever you want to call me, nigga. I just kill niggas. Let's get that part clear. Now you can talk about real shit and what you think is real shit, but nigga, if I want real shit, I just look in the mirror. Now if your bitch see me, nigga, she gonna be like, ooh, it's the young nigga to get money and rock the snapbacks and the tattoos. Well, nigga, if I miss the tissue, nigga, you better realize that you blessed when I blow it at you. Now let me flip that. I said if I miss your tissue, you better realize you blessed when I blow it at you. Bars, nigga, that's what I do. You just mad that my bars go over your head like a snapback. Cause they get under your skin like a tattoo. Bars. And quit with all the gun talk, nigga. Don't even start that, cause we don't believe it. You need more people. I don't care what he say or she say. Nigga, the only time you squeeze the pump is a speedway.
Okay. Hey, time.
Let me go. Look, if I catch you and your nigga out somewhere, I'll tie y'all feet together or something. Now y'all can relay. Y'all bench warmers. So keep the bench warm, nigga. And you know where I'ma be. EA. You probably the type to say throwing a beat. Nigga, freeway. Icy. Flow hot. You been gay. So here I come, nigga. It don't matter whether you ready or not. Save it for the rap songs talking about you be on the block. You about 6 something? Well good, I brought a perfect size box. Cause you sure to get wet when his head spin and have you jumping back like the shower water hot.
Nature.
Hey, one time for the one time, C-Ray.
What you gotta say, Nature?
Hey, first off, before Nature gets started,
Get him. That's Nature Boy right
me
there.
ends up on milk carton. Milk carton! Now let me tell you, boy, you're coming in like you gonna scare something. Nigga, you ain't gonna scare nothing. You a little nigga. I'm used to going bear hunting. I give a fuck less if you and your peoples is filling the meat. This Nature run top speeds without bending his knees. You think you hot, bitch, nigga? I'm 1,000,000 degrees. I'll tear this city down, nigga. All you feel is debris. Now, niggas wrote this shit, but I speak straight from the brain. Look at him, he getting angry, eyes wide open. Just snorting the cane. I break niggas down with metaphors. Throw you in the air through a vortex and make you metamorph. Who the fuck is this nigga talking to? Nobody. Fuck the casket you got, I put 3 of your niggas in it. Cold bodies. Now who the fuck think they talking to who? I'll take you to God, nigga, and walk you through the whole process. I like what you wrote, it was hot, but other than that, stop. Because when Smack see this shit, he gonna smack your ass. Then we need to find nature. We gotta have that. Now I'm just having fun right now. I can't wait till you come back. Cause you are like a bitch hit once and come back. Now who want this and who want that? Niggas say they want rap. Fuck that, I want facts. You are not true. You look in the mirror and see a figment of your imagination, nigga. You are not you.
Time. Bars. That's the first round.
One time for one time, man.
This is what we do right here.
One time.
Nature boy,
Hey. We gonna do it, man. We got 2 money on, man.
Hey, hit him with the second round, C-Ray. Second round. C-Ray.
You're right. Somebody going to the stage. I don't want to be all over the mix.
I said, nature, be careful, cause your mouth running more than your new sneaks. Cause with these lay on my victim skills, I will get a sneak peek. Go ahead, cause the last nigga that assumed I was weak, nigga, I showed up with the can and sprayed his wall like a graffiti piece.
Huh?
Nigga, this gonna be a murder, even though it ain't got nothing to do with child's play. Even though I'm one with my toy like Charles Lee Ray. Nigga, you better think about your loved ones and watch what you say, or be stiff holding a bouquet to your heart like it's Valentine's Day. Whoa! Battle shit, nigga. You in court, nigga, right now. I'm the judge. Yeah, I'll listen. But in the end, I got nothing but bars for you niggas. Prison, I'm pissed. I'm taking over any and everything in my vision. It's like I'm snatching nigga off the couch and yoking them to the kitchen. That's what I do to all you rappers, all my competition. Cause when you fuck with me in this battle shit, nigga, you making a domestic decision.
Bars.
Nigga, nigga, you already dead though, nigga. Just for trying me. Real niggas like me try to be cool with you, but all you do is lie to me. So if I gotta take a new route, and I gotta pull this tool out, I get to examine them with the scope just for eyeing me. So in this battle, nigga, this better be your best try. Cause when I let shit fly, I let shit fly. Cause when you see these burners, nigga, I'm grabbing cannons off the shelf. It ain't come with a receipt, but this was my best buy. What? So nigga, if I see that, I want that, nigga. Say I won't, and you gon' see that I'm on that, nigga. Gon' bomb, and you gon' see that I bomb back, nigga. Coming strapped with 2 metal arms out like the Mortal Kombat niggas.
Hey, Nation, get on Nation. Time.
Hold on, so in this battle, Moa set you up. I know you hate that nigga. Now they looking at me like, Ray, why did you even take that nigga? I said, I don't give a fuck who he is. I scrape that nigga. Matter of fact, y'all take that nigga!
Bars, time.
Hey, hold on, second round.
Time.
We ain't doing the yellow tape, not Nation.
Hey, you know what it is? Okay. Hold on. Nature boy, what's up?
First off, know better. You should have known better. I am swag team, but I guess you love this whole better. Why the fuck? You think you yellow taping? But you telling fakers and tell them they faking. But ain't shit you telling nature. See, I break you down at the kneecaps. Ain't no subliminal messages here, nigga. Fuck you and your feedback. See, I feed that. I teach you. I eat rappers, which means I eat you. Nigga, no tofu. This nigga talk about like he a gangster. He went to XENIA. That's his old school. What the fuck this nigga know about street life? You got some killers by your side, maybe. I don't know if they gonna fight. But nature keep it right. Never wrong. They like, nature got a battle C-Ray. I'm like, let me YouTube this nigga. And I'm like, boop, thumbs down on every song. See, because when they see me, they like, he wild. Because nature does this shit. Nothing written. Freestyle. This nigga took months to write. I eat a steak in the night. It's something that this no gum teeth have, nigga. Take months to bite. So let me do it again. Fuck this nigga one more time. I'm chewing his friend. But like, hold on. Oh shit, I just fucked up. Nah, I didn't. I metamorphed. See, now nature's about to get back in the zone and speak some more metaphors. See, you really think you heard something when you heard of nothing. You that nigga that's nobody. All you heard was bluffing.
Time. Yeah, that's
Time,
boy
one time.
right there.
Okay, listen. This is the last round for everybody. And it's gonna be the crowd that chooses this shit. So we gonna do this what it is one more time. We got 90 seconds, bro. We gonna have 90 seconds for both of y'all. Finish this shit up, and we gonna do what it do, bro. 250, where that? Yeah. All right. My man C-Way, one more time. Let's get it.
Hey, yo, y'all ready? Y'all hear me? All good? This nigga seeing me is like Stevie Wonder saying, "Let me see the green." Or like Kobe being kicked off of the Lakers team. It's not gonna happen. I'm tired of these new boys. I get to shooting at his feet like what you mean, and you gonna see these jerks start dancing when I squeeze on them like skinny jeans. Oh, I get the work. You just some half-ass niggas. Talking about you got the work, but only making half back, nigga. You cheap-ass 49-cent tag-ass niggas. Talking about you been hustling all summer. Go in, nigga! Go in!
That shit was what?
You talking about you been hustling all summer. Nigga, you been in the rich neighborhoods cutting grass-ass niggas. I can picture you and your nigga before a battle, and your nigga like, yeah, nigga, you gonna kill him. Nigga, you must have been smoking with Tyrone Biggums. Nigga, I'll pop, hit him, make him awake, victim. Your homies can wake with him. Nigga, I rock wigs, Wendy Williams. Just for volunteering to take this fall, nigga, you tripping. Just for thinking that you at the status of Batman or something, I'ma show up robbing. Nigga, I'm the villain. Think you can kill the villain? I kill him. Easy. Nature, that shit's out the window, boy, like a 9/11 victim. No, nigga. So all that shit you talking, it sound good, but you better relax. I'm from where if they shoot, nigga, they gon' shoot back. I'm from where if they get caught, well then fuck it, it's a rap. You from where if you get caught talking smack, afterwards you tell niggas it was just a rap. In this battle, nigga, you probably visioned the victim. You probably visioned this shit happening like a movie. Well, that's what you get for trying to battle me like you knew me. Nigga, you niggas is lost. This shit is unruly. You a waste of a nigga. You a waste of breath. Nigga, you a waste of space when niggas is grabbing that Uzi. A waste. Nigga, nothing should have been busted on the booty. A waste. Nigga.
Bars. Time.
Cause nigga, cause M. Dot, nigga, he set you up. I know you hate that nigga. That ain't looking at me like, Ray, why did you even take that nigga? I said, I don't give a fuck who he is, I'll scrape that nigga. Remember that? Yellow, take that nigga!
Bow.
Bars.
All right, boys. One more time for the Nature Boy. Hold on. Nature Boy got one more, and then I'm gonna let everybody else decide what's going on.
Why the fuck is everybody screaming bars? Fuck it, let me switch that. This nigga's bars is candy. I'm talking Kit Kat. Break it in four. Grab a machete, cut you at the knees, and watch you break to the floor. Know where you live at, son, and I'll break in your door. Got a few goons that's already committed on raping your whore. Nature come in with a big ass mandingo and rape her some more. These ain't bars. This is just metaphorically speaking. I'm spitting metaphors, so this nigga's now metaphorically eating. He gonna go home with an attitude. He never knew Nature thought he would win, bitch. You have no gratitude. See, when I snap at you, I'm reaching inside of your chest where your soul is at and I'm snatching you. Kick ass. The force of my destruction against your motherfucking head to give you whiplash. But you don't understand. You think you can bang the man. I'll bang your head against this wood floor till it turns to 1,000,000 grains of sand. Why did you ever test me, nigga? Now you gotta see the best me, nigga. And this ain't even the best. This nigga's heart about to bleed through his chest. Cause he knew he was just about to shit on the nigga. Mo, give me a pamper. I'm about to shit on this nigga. Fuck that! Nigga, you wanna set me off? It's been 8 years since my last battle before the 16th, but you done set me off. Atomic bomb. Atomic bomb. Which means when I explode this atomic nut, your baby mama's now my atomic dog. Fuck this nigga. And everything he do though, this nigga's flows get karate chopped down. Hi-ya, judo. Uppercut this nigga. Knock his head to Pluto.
Time.
Brain out your head and take everything that you know.
Time. Take that nigga.
Okay. Everybody pay attention what happened, man. I'm gonna do it 1 time, maybe 2 times. I need to hear something from the crowd, though. This is going to decide the winner. I need 1 time for the C-Ray motherfucker, my man.
Jump.
Hey, you know what it is, man? I need 1 time. Hey, I need 1 time for the nature boy. What's happening? Hold on. Let me do it 1 more time just to make sure it's clear. C-Ray? C-Ray? Hey, 1 more time for the nature boy, though. Nigga got nature boy, let's shake that motherfucker. You know what it is, brother. Let's go.
I was there. Shout out to Randall Ray. He didn't expect that. With that money. Talking that shit about that money.
That must be changing.
Let it be known. Losiano. Go to Harlem.
Running and coming, smooth in the back of that